The Apple iPhone 17 Pro and the Canon EOS R6 Mark II represent two of the most advanced devices available to photography enthusiasts today. Each brings cutting-edge technology and innovative features to its respective category, catering to users who demand high performance and versatility. The iPhone 17 Pro stands out as a multifunctional smartphone, integrating sophisticated computational photography with everyday convenience. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a dedicated mirrorless camera designed to meet the rigorous demands of professional photographers and videographers. By examining their latest specifications and capabilities, we can better understand how these devices serve different needs within the world of photography. This comparative overview will highlight their strengths and help clarify which device might be best suited for your creative pursuits. The Apple iPhone 17 Pro was announced in September 2025, featuring a sleek and modern design typical of high-end smartphones. Its 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology delivers vibrant visuals and smooth responsiveness, all housed in a slim profile available in striking colors like cosmic orange, deep blue, and silver. In contrast, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, released in November 2022, is a full-frame mirrorless camera built for durability and versatility. Its robust, weather-sealed body is designed to withstand challenging shooting environments, making it ideal for professional use. The camera includes a 3-inch articulated LCD screen, further enhancing its adaptability for various photography scenarios. While the iPhone excels in portability and everyday convenience, the Canon stands out for its rugged construction and specialized build quality. The iPhone 17 Pro and Canon EOS R6 Mark II each bring distinct strengths to the realm of camera technology. The iPhone 17 Pro features a 48-megapixel Fusion main sensor, leveraging advanced computational photography to enhance image quality and deliver impressive results in a variety of lighting conditions. Its front-facing 18-megapixel center stage camera is designed for dynamic video capture, supporting Dolby Vision recording up to 4K at 120 frames per second. In contrast, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is equipped with a 24.2-megapixel full-frame, dual-pixel CMOS AF2 sensor, offering professional-grade image fidelity and rapid autofocus performance. This camera supports continuous shooting at up to 40 frames per second with its electronic shutter and records video in 4K up to 60 frames per second or Full HD at 120 frames per second. While the iPhone excels in computational enhancements and versatility, the Canon stands out for its precision autofocus and robust sensor design, catering to users who demand high-speed, high-quality imaging. When it comes to performance, both the iPhone 17 Pro and the Canon EOS R6 Mark II are equipped with cutting-edge processors designed to maximize efficiency and speed. The iPhone 17 Pro features the powerful A19 Pro chip, which delivers enhanced graphics and swift processing capabilities, ensuring smooth multitasking and advanced computational photography. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II utilizes the DigicX processor, enabling rapid autofocus and high-speed continuous shooting, making it ideal for demanding photography and videography scenarios. Battery life is another crucial factor to consider. The iPhone 17 Pro offers up to 33 hours of video playback, a notable improvement over previous models, supporting extended use throughout the day. Meanwhile, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II provides approximately 580 shots per battery charge, according to CIPA standards, catering to the needs of professional photographers during lengthy sessions. Each device balances performance and battery longevity to suit its intended use, whether for versatile daily tasks or specialized imaging work. When it comes to price, the Apple iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1,099, while the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is priced at $2,498 for the camera body alone. This difference reflects not only the device's capabilities, but also their intended audiences. The iPhone 17 Pro offers impressive versatility, serving as a powerful smartphone with advanced computational photography features. Okay, making it ideal for everyday users and casual photographers who value convenience and multifunctionality. In contrast, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is a specialized tool designed for professional photographers and videographers who require high-quality imaging, robust performance, and greater control over their creative process. Ultimately, your choice depends on your specific needs. Those seeking an all-in-one device for daily use may prefer the iPhone, while dedicated creators looking for professional-grade results will find the Canon camera better suited to their craft.